The LSU AgCenter is pleased to announce its Spring 2024 Louisiana Super Plants selection, and it is Zesty Zinnias. Now, these are a wonderful annual warm season bedding plant. You're going to put them in the landscape in spring. They will bloom from the spring into the summer, well into the fall. They do die back in the winter time, but seeds do persist in the landscape, and that's one thing that's great about zinnias. These are wonderful cut flowers. Now, they get some actual very good height on them. As you can see here, this is that single stem with that beautiful double flower. These come in colors of reds and yellows, orange, white, purple, and pink. And these are just great for cut flower selections. Pollinators just love these. They have a lot of nectar, and the more you cut these, the better they get. So we can take cut flowers, bring them indoors, share them with our friends, make bouquets in the home. Now, one thing that you want to avoid with zinnias, if you can, is watering overhead. That can cause some issues with leaf spotting, as you can see here. So the best thing to do is to water at the soil line. Now, zinnias benefit from fertilizer to keep producing those beautiful flower heads. There are lots of different cultivars. These are a smaller, more compact, but the Zesty Zinnias are very tall, great for cut flowers, wonderful for pollinators, adds a splash of color into the landscape, and they're very reliable for that beautiful color. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.